Four in there. You want to shoot it from here better? Because that's too close, huh?
Cover your ears. Cover your ears.
Huh? Over here. Oh, you got him?
Is it recording? You don't want to scoot up, Daniel?
Watch your
Yeah, it's
fingers.
You
recording.
don't want to scoot up that way? Like
we
towards
good.
those... You don't want to scoot up?
No, I'm trying to get an aim
Good,
shot.
good.
Is it loaded?
Yeah, try it.
You got safety on?
Did you cock it?
See, I don't know. See, now you're going to play with something. Just look at the target. Load the round. Load the round.
It's not safety probably. Yeah.
It's in.
No, it's in. Okay.
Damn, how do you hit that
That's 4.
thing? I think it's hella hard to aim.
I think
That's
you hit it
dope.
once or twice.
Let me see you go next. You gonna
Oh
go,
no, I
Big?
did hit it. Look it. You see like
I
a
don't know
little,
if I wanna
little
go right
spray
now.
on
That's
it?
alright. You don't have to go next. How about you, Alex? You ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's still.
Are you gonna go, Chris?
recording.
We'll wait and see. If you don't want to, we don't have to.
There's 4.
Alright, come over here, Alex.
Careful.